Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to insert header and footer option such as different first page and different odd and even pages. Just open Word document. This document contains 5 pages and also has header and footer. You can see page number 1, page number 2, 3, 4 and 5. I want to make title page and I don't want to display header and footer in title page. For these, just double click header and footer section, and in header and footer tool you can see options. In option different first page, just check this option and double click anywhere in your document. Now header and footer will not display in title page. It will display second page, page number 2, page number 3, 4 and 5. If you don't want to show header and footer in title page, you can use this option. In second page is even page and third page is odd page. I want to display in even page, I want to display a logo here in even page, and in odd page I want to display logo here. How can I do that? This is a even page. Double click header and footer section. In options you can see a different odd and even pages. Just check this option. Now I want to display company logo here. Just go to the insert picture, just choose logo and insert, and you can use any option and move it anywhere. I want to display here. This is a even page header. In odd page I want to display logo here. Just go to the insert picture and click, and in wrap text any like a through, you can move very easily by using this option. This is a odd page. Just copy this header and paste in header section and make it center, and double click anywhere in your document. Now this is the first page. In second page, which is even page, logo will display here, and in third page logo will display here. It is this is a odd page. This option very useful in report and booklets, and you can use this option. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.